AKH Group, the crowning achievement of Muhammad Shamsul Alam, Muhammad Abul Qasim and Delwar Hussain. 3 prescient mines is a robust project that leads the RMG industry of Bangladesh. Their devotion to maintaining quality and eco-sustainability at the same time continues day in and day out. This conglomerate of 17 running concerns has crossed over $470 million worth of exports in 2024 and targets an export of $627 million for 2027, with a year-on-year growth of 10%, and meets the demands and standards of customers across Europe, North America, Australia, and Asia. From conception to outflow, peerless integrity has led AKH to worldwide recognition and prestigious awards and accolades. The aspiration is to scale newer heights. The group's premier project, AKH Eco Apparels Limited, is a green commitment based beside Dhaka-Aricha Highway at the heart of Dhamrai. The factory campus, made according to the LEED Gold category requirements of US GBC, spares 50% open space for fresh air and native plants over an expanse of 15 acres of land, designed to be never over the 3rd floor at the forefront. The workforce is ensured good, comfortable working conditions. From using reusable construction materials to optimizing daylight usage and fresh air through air ventilation system, the factory employs various strategies to reduce its carbon footprint. Energy-efficient machinery, LED bulbs, and bus bar electric wiring complete the construction. Open terrace with grass carpeting and rooftop gardens add to its pleasant and healthy ambience. Solid waste treatment plants and wastewater are segregated, treated, recycled and reused. AKH Eco harvests and retains rainwater in a pond for later use. AKH Eco Apparels produces 2 megawatts of renewable energy with solar panels, which covers at present 70% of the total consumption. That translates to a reduction of 850 tons carbon emission annually. Located strategically, AKH Eco helps the economic development of the livelihood nearby. Most workers go to work on foot or other green modes of transport. Realizing the role of its workers in its success, AKH Eco prioritizes them with utmost care, enabling a duly elected Workers' Participation Committee. Their rights and responsibilities are given equal importance. There is a help desk where any of the worker can ask for any kind of help, with canteen and dining facilities and frequent breaks amid greenery. Side by side, a skill development program is in effect to enhance their skills and prepare them for technological changes in the production process. AKH provides its workers with childcare facilities along with designated breastfeeding corners, free medical checkups, free medicines, and maternity facilities. Salaries are given through mobile banking service. AKH Eco Apparels Limited celebrates Best Line Performance Award regularly. Fire exits with wide staircases, auto fire pumps, fire hydrants, auto sprinklers, PA system, and CCTVs shield the factory. Training and drills are organized regularly to prepare the workforce for health and fire hazards. AKH Eco Apparels runs regular sessions for emergency evacuation to face the unlikely event of any mishap. First rate in woven manufacture, AKH Eco Apparels creates high-quality ready-made woven tops and bottoms, ladies' dresses for all genders and age group. A highly adept merchandising unit runs pre-production preparations that assure the smoothest path to absolute quality and speed in production. An efficient sample section checks to ensure each piece of apparel is an identical reproduction of the samples approved by the buyer. AKH Eco uses innovative 3D software to create virtual samples for online fitting sessions. Here, the Research and Development Department is a collaboration between the best foreign and local experts. The management supervised pre-production meetings detail an action plan at the start of each order, allocating specific jobs to each department. Fabrics and accessories are selected meticulously and sourced from carefully evaluated and reliable suppliers, distinguished in delivery and performance. Once received by AKH Eco, fabrics and trims are stored on shelves designated for individual buyers. These are then kept to relax in the storage area. Continuous and focused laboratory tests examine the quality of all fabrics and trims. Afterwards, patterns and markers are obtained using cutting-edge computer-aided solutions. The cutting room is equipped with auto fabric relaxing, auto spreader and auto cutting machines to maximize productivity. Fabrics are cut in bulk, ensuring optimal utilization. AKH Eco presently has 52 sewing lines on about 800,000 square feet floor space, equipped with contemporary machinery, where each worker crafts high-quality and diverse woven tops and bottoms and ladies' dresses. AKH Eco has replaced the conventional manufacturing sewing process with automation. As additional reassurance, in a productive environment, skilled professionals guarantee the ultimate tailoring experience using advanced technology. End-line quality checks are carried out at different stages during production. AKH Eco has a production capacity of 1.5 million pieces a month on an average. Following ironing and the final finishing touches, the QC is done. Each piece of apparel passes through thorough inspections for quality and metal-free status. At the CT Pat enclosure, each apparel is packed carefully in a metal-free environment, again with an inspection to ensure necessary quality. AKH Eco employs contemporary technology for moisture control. Finished garments are put into a dehumidified condition for a certain period in the packaging section. This ensures that garments do not gather moisture or mold. AKH integrates the latest RFID solutions with the brand's inventory software to identify all ready-to-ship goods aligned with declared packing lists. Furthermore, AKH Eco provides each buyer with an individual inspection room facility. Thereafter, under constant surveillance, its own logistic fleet carries the export cargoes to the designated destinations on time. The zenith of three visionaries, AKH brings growth and sustainability in one package. It works with unrivaled spirit towards the highest caliber in manufacture, utmost customer satisfaction and a greener future.